Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook on iPad. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, I'm using iOS or the iPhone, but the steps are pretty similar. So just go ahead and follow. Okay, so you want to go ahead and try these direct fixes to resolve crashing, loading, or freezing issues on your iPad. So first up, if you have the Facebook app running, you can go ahead and double tap on Home and then force close the app. Once that's done, open up your control center, and then in here, enable airplane mode. Once it's enabled, wait for about 10 to 30 seconds, and then just re-enable it. All right. Once that's done, open up the Facebook app, and then you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, the iPad layout can sometimes glitch when switching between landscape and portrait mode and causing the screen to freeze or go black. So what you can do to fix that, so again, open up your control center, and then enable portrait mode. All right. Make sure that it is set to portrait, not landscape. And then once that's done, test it out. If that still won't work, you still have issues with your Facebook app. Well, what you can do is just go ahead over to your settings or the settings app, find general, find iPhone storage. Now in here, find Facebook, tap on it, tap on offload app, or offload data, depending on the model of your iPhone or iPad, and then just tap on offload again. All right, once that's done, if it asks you to update the app from here, we'll go ahead and update the app from here. If not, you'll have to do it manually under the App Store. Just find Facebook, open it up, and then again, if there's an update button, update it, and then once done, open it, and it should work now. Well, if that still won't work, there might be an issue with the Meta servers. Okay, what you can do basically is just go ahead over to your web browser and just log into your Facebook account from here. Okay, you can go ahead over to m.facebook.com, log into your account, and continue browsing using your iPad's browser for now until Facebook's server is back online. That is how you fix Facebook on iPad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.